Hello friends, let's start. मला चहा पिण्याची सवय नाही. I am not in the habit of drinking tea. I am not in the habit of drinking tea. सर्व मुले एकसारखी नसतात. All boys are not alike. All boys are not alike. मी बिल भरेन. I'll pay the bill. I'll pay the bill. यशने परीक्षेमध्ये यशस्वी होण्यासाठी दिवस रात्र एक केले आहेत. यश has burnt the midnight oil for succeeding in examination. Yash has burnt the midnight oil for succeeding in examination. आम्ही आमचे काम चालू ठेवू. We will carry on with our work. We will carry on with our work. मी न नाश्ता केला ना दुपारचे जेवण केले. I had neither breakfast nor lunch. I had neither breakfast nor lunch. तिच्या साहसाची सर्वजण तारीफ करत आहेत. Everyone is praising her daring act. Everyone is praising her daring act. तू फक्त टाइमपास करत आहेस. You are just passing the time. You are just passing the time. मीटिंग 2 तास चालली. The meeting lasted 2 hours. The meeting lasted 2 hours. माझे दात वाजत आहेत. My teeth are clattering. My teeth are clattering. दुर्लक्ष कर. Just ignore. Just ignore. तुला काही माहित नाही. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. त्याने काही होत नाही. Nothing happens from that. Nothing happens from that. मी 2 वर्षात डॉक्टर बनेन. I'll become a doctor in 2 years. I'll become a doctor in 2 years. याच्यात वाईट वाटण्यासारखं काय आहे? What's there to mind? What's there to mind? Like, share and subscribe.